Hello, my name is Joy Ann Marie Marine, and I am a dedicated business virtual assistant. With 6 years of experience in technical support, customer service, and data analyst, I have honed a diverse skill set to assist businesses in streamlining their operation and achieving their goal. Throughout my career, I have developed a passion for helping clients to support complex problems, ensuring smooth communication, and providing insightful data-driven solutions. Whether it's managing technical issues, enhancing customer satisfaction, or analyzing data to improve decision making. I am committed on delivering high quality, reliable support. I thrive in remote work environment, and my goal is to make your business operation more efficient and effective, all while providing exceptional service. Let's connect, and I look forward to helping you succeed.